Hello, in this NPG Budget tutorial, I'll go through two examples of how to correctly calculate match and show you how to fill out the budget worksheet. It is important to note that beginning with the 2026 round of NPG funding, the budget worksheet was changed, so applicants should make sure they're using the most current version. As a part of the NPG application, you need to complete and upload the current fillable budget worksheet. The link to this PDF is located on the NPG webpage in the Application Attachments and Resources section under Required Attachments for all applicants. Your project will be deemed ineligible if this worksheet is not submitted with your application. To fill out the worksheet, download the PDF and open it in Adobe Reader. Before completing the budget worksheet, we encourage applicants to refer to the program overview found on the NPG webpage that details match requirements and specific eligible costs for each report type. And remember, your match is calculated based on the requested award amount for your project, not your total project costs. On the left of this slide, you'll see two simple formulas. The first is to calculate required match based on your requested amount. This is calculated by multiplying your requested amount by the percent match, which is 10% for all project types in this funding round. The second formula on the bottom left is to calculate the total project cost to account for in the budget for your NPG application. The value is calculated by adding the requested amount to the required matched amount, determined from the first formula. A simple example using these two formulas is on the right-hand side of the slide. If you're applying for a non-point source planning report for green infrastructure and are requesting $50,000, you would multiply $50,000 by 0.10 to get a match amount of $5,000. The total cost for the NPG budget for this application would be the requested amount, $50,000, plus the calculated match amount, $5,000, for a total cost of $55,000. This would be the amount to be detailed in the budget worksheet for your NPG scope of work. For the next example, the applicant is applying as a collaborative for Municipal Separate Storm Sewer System MS4 mapping. It is estimated to cost $440,000. The current program overview indicates the required match is 10%, and the maximum award for a collaborative is $400,000. So here we're going to go through how much an applicant should request from NPG if their requested amount is unknown, to ensure they have enough funding for the $440,000 project costs. A simple algebra equation can be used as noted in the first bullet, where R stands for the requested amount. In the parentheses, we've got the match calculation, match percentage times requested amount. So adding the match value to the requested amount gives you what your total project cost would be. It can be as simple as plugging and chugging for R, the requested amount, until you reach the correct value for your project costs. So if we use $400,000 for R, plus the match percentage calculation here, $40,000, we get $440,000, the total project costs. Once you understand how match is calculated, you can input them into the budget worksheet. Now I will review how to fill in the budget worksheet. Proceed to the NPG webpage to locate the budget worksheet PDF. Once there, navigate to the Application Attachments and Resources section under Required Attachments for all applicants. Then locate and click on the NPG Budget Worksheet link. Once you've downloaded the worksheet and opened it in Adobe Reader, you can type right into each box and save your edits. If for whatever reason you're unable to complete the worksheet electronically, you could also print it out, write in the amounts, and scan it back in. However, some fields auto-calculate through the electronic version, so if you do that method, you will need to be extra careful to fill out all values correctly because there is more room for error. There are directions on the first page of the budget worksheet. I won't go through them now, but you should read them as you are preparing your application. There are 2 parts to the budget worksheet. Make sure you fill out both. In part 1, you enter in the basics about your project. So for this example, we'll just call it a municipal separate storm sewer system MS4 mapping project. Enter your organization name and then use the drop-down to select the correct project type. Following the project details, here's where you would enter in the funding amount you're requesting through NPG. For this round, all project types require a 10% match component, so that column defaults to 10%. The next 2 columns auto-calculate based on your input amount requested. You can use this to play around with the calculations to help solidify your requested amount. And then you must identify your match source below, whether it's in kind from another source or some combination. For this example, if you have a $440,000 total project cost and are going to be requesting $400,000, you type the $400,000 into the first column, and it will auto-calculate the match funds as well as the total amount. $400,000 with a 10% match would require the applicant to have a $40,000 match amount to reach the total cost of $440,000. Be aware that if you request an amount that is higher than the maximum award amount for your specific project type, the worksheet will still calculate. Part 2 calculations also draw from the value you input for your requested amount, so triple check that you input the correct value. In Part 2, you write in the details about the funding you are requesting from NPG for your project. When you write in the amounts for each line, the total for that section will calculate automatically, as well as the project total at the bottom of the page. The project total at the bottom of the page in Part 2 will change to black text when it matches the project total's cost amount calculated in Part 1. If the totals do not match, the text will remain red to indicate discrepancy. Once everything is entered and reviewed for accuracy, you can save the PDF and upload it as an attachment in the CFA. A few budget worksheet reminders only include eligible project costs and activities that you want to be reimbursed by NPG funding on your budget worksheet. Do not include ineligible costs. You can review the list of both eligible and ineligible costs by project type in the program overview. And check to make sure that your requested amount in the budget worksheet matches the amount that you put in the budget table in the CFA. Also, do not include your overall total project costs if it is greater than the requested amount plus match. If your total project costs exceed that amount, only include the details for the portion that would be reimbursed by NPG funding. Thank you for listening. If you have questions related to the NPG budget worksheet or related to any aspect of the NPG grant program, you can contact the DEC Division of Water Grants team at dowgrants@dec.ny.gov.